Hello GP developers, this is Steve with 4penny.net and DynDeveloper.com. We had a question come in on the forum today about how to default the parameters on an SSRS report to the first day of the month and the last day of the month. The user says that the report will always run for the previous month, so we're going to look at how to do that. But first, we're going to roll the credits. Okay, this is not too hard a task at all. I'm going to demonstrate through the technique, and I'm going to put a link in the comments below back to DynDeveloper.com, and any code that we have will be included there for you. Here we go. Okay, in order to mock this up for you, the first thing that I did was I created a stored procedure, and the stored procedure is very simple. It's got a name, it's got two parameters, and it returns one line of data. Interestingly, I'm not sure if you knew this, but if you name the parameters in SSRS carefully, capital letters, underscores in between, when it gets transferred over to SSRS, it brings it over formatted nicely, and it saves you the step of formatting. So let's move over to SSRS now. In SSRS, I created a new report. I named the report test. I saved it back to the server. We're going to look at the dataset properties here, first of all, so you can see how it all set up. The stored procedure name is here, and then when you go over into the parameters should look like this. Be very careful that it looks pretty similar to this, the square brackets around the parameter name. So if you have all that right, close it, and then expand the parameters node right here, and you should see your two dates. Right-click on Start Date, click Parameter Properties, go to the default values, and we'll have to, I've already done it, but you need to add a default value and then go into the expression tool, and there is your expression. You don't need to copy this down right now. There's a link below to DynDeveloper, and the code will be sitting there for you. But that's the formula for the first day of the month. Let's go into the end date, default values, add a date, go into the expression builder, and there's the expression for the last day of the month. So if we go and run our report, boom, 3/1, 3/31, and we're all set. And there you have it. I hope that was helpful to you. Do me a favor and hit the like button below. That's my pay for doing this. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed, and we'll see you next time.